What is the probability of knowing what is going to happen after the elections, right? This chart right here shows us exactly what usually happens after every election. This is the chart of the US Russell 2000. Now, why we're using the US Russell 2000? Because the US Russell 2000 is a stock market index that measures the performance of 2000 smaller companies. As you can see, it's better used compared to the S&P 500 because it's a bellwether for the US economy. So through that chart, you can judge whether the US economy is doing fine. And right here, I have marked every single place where we had elections, or probably in the last 3 elections. As you can see in 2012, right here, this was after the elections. We saw that the Russell 2000 saw a massive pump to the upside. The same thing happened in 2016 when Trump won. We saw another push to the upside. 2012 was Obama. We saw a push to the upside. 2016 was Trump. We saw a push to the upside. 2020 was Joe Biden. We saw a massive push to the upside. And what has happened to Bitcoin in those periods? We can see the same thing has happened to Bitcoin, or basically the crypto market. After every elections, we usually see a massive pump right here in the crypto market, right? So as you can see in 2012 when Obama won, we can see that massive pump which we had in the crypto market right here for Bitcoin, or basically crypto in general. The same thing we saw in 2016 when Trump won. We saw a massive push to the upside right here in the crypto market. The same thing happened in 2020. We saw another massive push to the upside. So basically, we can safe to say that usually after elections, we usually see a massive push to the upside. Now, we want to estimate what could happen after this election and what could we see the price prediction right here for this coin. So our price prediction right here for HEDERA HBAR, right? We're on the chart for HEDERA HBAR versus the USD Theta, using the post-election cycle. We said usually after the elections, we usually see a massive pump in the crypto market. If we see that happen exactly as predicted right here for HEDERA, then minimum we should expect for HEDERA is a push towards our former highs, right? So we should expect at least minimum we should see prices push at least minimum towards those highs which we had in 2023. That could see a 233% push right here for HEDERA to the upside. So probably before December, we could see HEDERA at those 14 cents level, right, which is a 250% pump, which could very much happen if the election cycle theory is anything to go by, right? So we would be monitoring that on the channel, giving you updates as regards that. Let's see how that goes. So please click on the like button, click on subscribe button as we continue on this journey together. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.